Matet De Leon worried some fans recently bursting into tears while doing live selling on TikTok June 29. It is actually Matet's usual thing, selling canned goods and other products. That time, though, some spiteful netizens joined in, showering her with malicious comments. Matet's husband was quick to react, advising her to take a break from the effort, but she persisted. She was then heard saying, "Hindi ko alam kung bakit may mga taong naliligayahan sa sarili nila kapag nako-comment ng ganon. I don't know why some people feel so happy issuing comments like that." The actress didn't name her bashers. It was then that netizens noticed the remarks of a certain @AtersGonna8. It read, "Wala na kayong project. Ang suplada to kaya iniwan ni Ate Guy. Don't you have any projects? She's a snob, that's why Ate Guy left her." Ate Guy is of course Matet's late mother, the superstar Nora Aunor. The next day, Matet took to social media to reiterate how proud she is doing live selling on TikTok. She said, "Hindi ako naiyak sa live dahil nahihiya ako mag-live, okay? Kasi ako, proud na proud ako maging live seller ng TikTok ng mga brands na pinaniniwalaan ko, okay? Sobrang saya ko din mag-live, okay? Na kahit may pinagdadaanan kung ano man yan, nagla-live ako, I show up." She then expressed her heartfelt gratitude to those supportive of her efforts and the products she offers. "Gusto kong mag-thank you dun sa mga taong maayos. Gusto kong mag-thank you sa inyo, yung mga sumusuporta pag may live ako, lalo na yung mga suki ko," she said. Nora passed away from acute respiratory failure on April 16. Apart from Matet, the late national artist has 4 other children, Lot, Ian, Kiko, and Kenneth De Leon.